Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
For natural remedies for acne scars, consider these effective solutions. Aloe vera, known for its healing properties, can be applied directly to scars. Lemon juice, which acts as a natural bleach, helps in lightening scars when applied regularly. Honey, especially raw honey, can be used as a moisturizing mask, helping in the healing process. Coconut oil, rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, is excellent for promoting skin regeneration. Lastly, baking soda works as a gentle exfoliant to reduce the appearance of scars over time. Remember, consistency is key for natural remedies.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.